Hello, welcome to today's Bitcoin and Ethereum tutorial. I remain Lucky Kaide, your boy, and in today's tutorial in today's update we'll be discussing continuation of what happened last week, and we'll be looking at what you expect for this week. And if you're new to this channel, please subscribe and click the bell button so that you can get good notifications time to time of when we upload new videos and strategies that can help you to milk the markets. Now, whether you like it or not, Bitcoin in itself is still gonna rise. Yes, because I know that's the good news you want to hear. But right now, we've been in a consolidation for more than a week now. We've been in consolidation for more than a week, and Bitcoin is actually moving in a sideways manner and within a wedge. You can see here I've drawn these lines to join this, and you can see that the market in itself has been moving, like you can see this sideways movement. Yeah, you can actually confirm this with our MACD. You can see that the MACD moved from down here to up here to down here and up here. You can see that this level here is higher than this level. This level here is lower than this level. So you can see that it's moving downwards here, they're moving upwards here. So they're certainly going to meet at a certain point. Then we're going to have what we'll call I'll call it a low momentum, because you can see the momentum is dropping. So you're gonna have a squeeze, yeah, and as is at a squeeze that whichever of the traders that have biggest strength are going to win. And after the squeeze, what I mean is, as the market is shrinking towards the end, now if we have more buyers at the end, then the market is going to push higher. Then if we have more sellers at the end of the shrink, then the market is going to push lower. So what I just want to look out for this week is just to be passive and just wait and watch what the market will do, you know, because you have to always you trade alongside the market, not telling the market what to do. The market tells you what to do. So you can see right here that the market has been moving about this my 200 moving average. So what I'm waiting for is the market to either push upwards, then maybe retest. It's going to break this upper triangle or wedge white line. Then when it breaks it, I expect it to have a little retest on either of this white and this upper white line, or on the resistance. Then once that happens, then I can place my buy trade. Or if the sellers win, it's going to break this white lower line, then push downwards a bit. So that is that for Bitcoin. Then for our Ethereum markets, you always know that it's always similar, and they are more or less like twins, like I usually say. You can see that we have the same descending wedge. Sorry, you can see the same wedge. Sorry, not descending, it's wedge, just a wedge, because it's neither descending nor ascending. Then you can see that there's this shrink and drop in momentum as it move towards the end of this tunnel right here. So just like we expected for Bitcoin, if the market pushes above the upper trend line, then we expect it to have a little bit of retest before pushing higher. Then the same thing, if it breaks the lower one, then we know that we're expecting a sell, and that means the sellers are stronger in the market. So that's what we should expect for Bitcoin and Ethereum this week. So like I said, for now I'll prefer to wait to see what the market brings to me. So if you're new to this channel, like I said at the beginning, it would be nice for you to subscribe and be part of this community. And I also like you to hit the bell button, because on Sundays we upload volatility 75 and Roman crash updates. On Mondays we upload Bitcoin and Ethereum updates. Then Mondays and Fridays we upload videos that are helpful for you to expand your knowledge in trading. You know definitely that sometimes it could be difficult for you to actually read a strategy or a trading concept and apply it to your trading. But when you watch a well explained and detailed video, like we usually do on this platform, in this channel, in the Cosby Finance channel, we go into in-depth explanation with examples for all our strategies and all our concepts. So it helps to broaden your knowledge, and it helps you to have a proper understanding of not just how the concept works, but how to actually apply it for your own self. So if you want to get good knowledge of all these strategies that we have, you can just check the description below. You will see a link to how you can even download my free indicators. The indicators I use, you see them. The link to how to download all these indicators is in the description below. Also in the description you will see the strategies that I personally use to do my trading. You will see strategies like the weekly Fib strategy, which is in series 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then you also see videos on the divergence strategy. You see videos on chart patterns and so many things that you can actually leverage on and expand your knowledge on. So please do well to watch all these videos and acquaint yourself with the requisite knowledge that will help you to be successful as a trader. And also, if you also like to ask me 1 or 2 questions, you can also drop it in the comment section below, or you can decide to join our community by joining the Telegram group. So I would definitely like to see you, and I would love you to be part of the community. I would love you to be part of this channel. I would love you to get updates whenever they are being uploaded. So in that regard, I'll be seeing you in the next video, and I remain your boy Leke, Cosby Finance. Bye for now. Take care of yourself.